How to log out account in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out your account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this content option. Tap on content. Now on the top, you'll be able to see your account name and your account profile. So simply tap on it. Now on the bottom, simply tap on manage account. So here in your account settings here, slowly scroll down until you find the option called logout. Simply tap on logout. Now make sure you have all your ID and password saved before logging out because it is needed while you log in back. So simply tap on logout and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.